Hello everyone, again welcome to my channel The Art of Science. Today it is the fourth number topic on the chapter number 4 of class 12, that is reproductive health problems and its strategies. Today we will study the control of population explosion. So we have already studied about the barrier method and IUDs in our last classes. Today we will study about the surgical method. Surgical means surgery, the method that is utilized for the contraception and proceed by surgery. So what is surgical method? It is written over here. Surgical method is used by male and or female partner as terminal method to prevent any more pregnancies, and this method block the transport of gametes and prevent contraception. Means surgical method is a method in which the gametes are prevented to reach together. Means the male gamete, that is sperm, and female gamete, that is ovum, could not allow to meet together. In this process, the place where they meet or the place from where they comes out are surgically removed. What happened? What I told, both of the partner, either with the male partner or female partner, can control or can apply these processes or surgical method to prevent unwanted pregnancy or unwanted child. So there are two different surgical method, one for the male and another for the female. Let us study vasectomy. Vasectomy means vasec means vas differentia and tomy means cutting. Means cutting or dissecting the vas differentia or sperm duct. You know, from testes the duct comes out and this duct carry sperms. This duct is called sperm duct in generally, but in biological terms it is called vas deferens. When this vas deferens is cut and tied, what will happen? The sperm from these testes will not go further because it has been already dissected over here. So when the sperm will not go out during the coitus or intercourse between the male and female, there will be no chance of coming out of the sperm to the penis, and obviously this prevent the pregnancy. So let us study. Vasectomy is applied in case of male. Yeah, this is very important. In this method, a small portion of vas deferens is removed or tied up through an incursion in the scrotum. Incursion means making a small hole in the scrotum. Obviously it is very harmless and it create a very minor kind of problem. If create very minor kind, otherwise it does not have any kind of side effect. Later on you can see in the figure, very clear figure has been given here. This is the testis and this is the vas deferens, and the vas deferens has been cut over here and here so that no sperm can go through the penis during course of intercourse or coitus. Let's study the next term, that is called tubectomy. You know well that this is the fallopian tube. Yeah, this is the fallopian tube. You can see in the figure the fallopian tube has been cut and tied. What would happen during coitus? When the sperm move through in, it can remain here. It cannot go to the this place. Means actually the fertilization take place in fallopian tube. So it has been cut in such a manner so that the sperm could not reach to the place where the fertilization take place, and obviously it avoid the fertilization, and due to avoiding of the fertilization, unwanted pregnancy will be obviously prohibited or prevented. Next, let us study this tubectomy. Tubectomy is applied in females. There is a small part of fallopian tube is removed or tied up through a small incursion in the abdomen through vagina. It can be make a small hole in the abdomen or through vagina. It is cut into single piece. Next term is medical termination of pregnancy, or it is in short called MTP. MTP is very famous in the course of pregnancy or unwanted pregnancy. MTP is obviously utilized, although it is not utilized to control the population. Means it is for very emergency period it is utilized. It is not a regular pill that can be utilized by everyone. No, it is not a regular pill. Point to be noted. So first of all, in India, the constitution do not allow any kind of abortion earlier to the period of pregnancy. Means when the pregnancy has been started, it should be completed till 9 months 10 days, or you can say 9 months. But due to certain problem, the mother and the child get killed or died due to certain problem. In that case, the government of India in 1971 allowed the voluntary termination of pregnancy. First, it was not allowed. No one can stop the pregnancy when the pregnancy has been started. Neither the male nor the female. But on certain condition, the Supreme Court of India and the Government of India started in 1971 with some strict condition to avoid its misuse. You know well, there are lots of misuse has been utilizing or done nowadays in our country. So government always wanted so that it cannot be misused. So some condition has been made to avoid the misuse of this MTP. These are the important to check discrimination, indiscriminate or illegal female feticide. What is the misuse that can be done in India? You know, the ratio of the male and female child is decreasing. To prevent the female feticide, it can be misused. Means what I am telling, just I am clearing it. Many people in India kill their female child because there is so many unbelievable things going in India, that female are inferior and they should not be if they have been got born, and many more things. You know what happens in the rural area and also in the urban area regarding the female. They got born, after that they have to marry, and there is a very huge expenses in regarding that. We should not so there are so many things regarding the female. So females are killed, female fetus are killed, and many of us the many people of our society utilize MTP in order to kill the female fetus. So the government has given some strict conditions so that the female feticide cannot be done by the people. Now, MTP is done in certain cases where pregnancy can be harmful. In which condition MTP can be utilized? So, in certain cases where pregnancy is harmful for either the mother or for the fetus, means either the mother or the fetus or both of them can have some harmful effect due to pregnancy. In that case MTP means medical termination of pregnancy can be utilized. Next, MTP considered relatively safe during first trimester. First trimester means 12 week. First 12 week means 3 months. 12 week means 3 months. Trimester. First 3 months of development of fetus in the womb. At that period, if the MTP is utilized, it is not so harmful. But after that, it will be fatal for the mother. Remember it. So, MTP should not be utilized or utilized under the supervision of doctor, a very good doctor. Okay, after 12 week, or you can say 3 months. Next, about 40 to 50 million MTP are carried out in every year. Means about 40 to 50 million MTP are utilized throughout the world, and it has a significant role in decreasing population. Obviously MTP decreases the population, although these MTP medicines are not made, or MTP is not done in order to reduce the population. It is not for the purpose of population, reducing the population. It is only for the betterment of both mother and the family. So it is very important to understand. Thank you for today. That is the end of the chapter number 4. You have to make your own notes and submit it. And if you have any kind of queries regarding any point, please call me or ping me in the WhatsApp, or you can also ask in YouTube channel in comment box. Thank you very much. Bye.